forgot her missed mating net, her beautiful and sexy in round number 5 in Sligo Chess and Culture Festival. So between from woman candidate master in Bolivia is Alexandra Prado, faces versus by 73 years old in old man in London in John Connick. So it means no master ratings here. So I'm sorry I got late my video analyze because I'm suffering by allergic rhinitis, so I'm not feeling well, so I'm gonna rest from this wall. So what do you think about the after by 25 moves? So it means run X move. So after of this one with end games here. So what do you think from this one with chess with puzzle with round number 5 in Sligo chess? So let's see up this one with puzzles here. White pieces with Prado and black pieces with John Connix in London. So it means round number 5 in Sligo Chess Culture Festival with standings after round number 5. So white plays Prado is e4, e5 by Connix, Scandinavian defense, capture this pawn, queen takes captured, and also knight c3 attacks the queen and with backwards with queen d8 with Connix. So this is the main lines here with used by move is queen to a5 or maybe here by queen to e5 with check. So it means with move up Connix queen d8 with backwards with John Connix in London. And also knight f3 with Prado, knight f6 with Connix, and also g3 with Prado. Without g3 by plannings with next by light square bishop g2 before castling. And also bishop f5 by Connix, bishop g2 without preparing next castling with Prado here. And also with pawn c6, castling kingside with Prado, and also e6. Without idea by Connix with next by bishop to e7 by next by castling. And also d3. It is called by this one with openings with Scandinavian defense masses Kotorx variation here. So without Cortex variation without movement here. And also bishop e7 with Connix without next castling with John Connix here. And also with Prado is knight h4. Without knight h4 with Prado with next by plannings attacks the bishop here. So this is a more threats here. And also bishop g6 with Connix. So it means with more backwards by Connix with bishop to g6. So what the next up is eating up this one with white pieces to next by Prado captured with knight takes captured. Takes. Without because this is a double pawns with ugliness here. Ugliness pawn structure with Connix. Or maybe but not yet ready by castling. Without castling kingside here. And also queen e2 with Prado here. Or maybe by plannings by rook e1 with queen behind the rooks here. And also knight bd7 with Connix. And also a4 by next plannings a5 with strong move with Prado here. And also pawn a5 with no more by with a5 with blockings with more precise here by pawn a5 with black pawns here with Connix. Bishop d2 and also knight to b6 with Connix without plannings here by next maneuvers knight to d5 here. So maybe by next maneuver without interesting by solid move here. And also rook f e1 with a good precise here. Good move with Prado here. Castling kingside by Connix and also bishop f3. So this is a new move with Prado because novelty. So this is the old main lines here. By old main lines by database is knight e4 or bishop f1 is a old main lines here. So with the third is bishop f3 novelty. So this is a novelty with Prado here. And also queen c7 with Connix here. And also king g2 with good precise or next by maneuver is next by rook h1. So this is a rook h1 here. And also rook f e8 with Connix without more pressures by rook e5 pin with queens and rooks here. So this is a pins here. And also pawn h4. So this is a good precise here by Prado. And also knight h7. Why? Because this is a pawn h4 with no more by this one with knight to g5. So this is a more controls here. And also rook h1, and also g5. Without movement of this Chanconic, so it means so this is a bad move given, so does not like of this computer. With plannings here by move, because this is a move by pawn to g5 here with conics here. So it means so the best accuracy move here is bishop to b4 here is a right move of this computer engine. So according this one by this one with Stockfish here, so this is a good slightly better for blacks. So back there, this one is g5 with conics, captured with good move with Prado, without idea with openings with rooks here. So rook captured knight with sacrifice. So this is a sacrifice move, and also knight captured with conics without threats the attacks the bishop. Bishop f4. Without explaining, for example, so in accept, why don't we bishop captured knight? So if bishop takes g5, if we bishop captured here, and also knight e4 with threatening the tempos attacks the bishop and bishop to h6. So it means opposite color bishop here. So this is a opposite color bishop. So this is a good, more interesting by solid examples here. So back there, this one with bishop f4 with Prado here, and move with conics is queen to d7 with more interesting by solid move here, and also bishop e4 without idea with bishop to h7 with check. So this is a bad move given with Prado. So the best move is rook h2 with upcoming by battery without battery here. So this is a more good solid interesting here. So this is a good advantage for whites here. So back there, this one is bishop e4 without upcoming by with bishop h7 here with check with Prado here, and also with g6 another bad move with conics. So this is a 73 years old here. So the best is once a currency is pawn to f5 here with the threats the bishop here. So if you queen to h5 here with coming by this one with queen to h8 with check here, and also with knight to f7 with normal by this one with check here. So it means so if you queen to so it means bishop to e3. So bishop e3 here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks here. So another. Okay, so if you captured with this one, if you captured by f takes e4 here, and also queen h8 check. So queen h8 check here. If you king to f7 with openings here, and also with queen to h5 check. So if you and if you king f6 here, and also bishop captured knight with check. So it means with a check here, and also king to f5, and your bishop captured with openings with check, and also so it means with check here. So it means with check openings, so it means without controls, and also with more this one with g5 and queen to capture this one with mating nets here. Mating net. So this is a good for whites here. So wins for white here. So easy shot from this one with wins for white. So it means mating net for blacks. So back there, this one with conics is pawn to g6 here, and also with move by Prado is bishop to e5. Good, interesting here. Without upcoming by rook h8. Without coming by rook h8 check, so it means without check by kings here, and also with knight h7, so it means normal by rook h8 here. So this is a more pins here without check here. So it means so the first guessing puzzle. What do you think about the ones of this computer with beautiful, sexy, and Alexandra Prado, woman candidate master, finding brilliant sacrifice captured here? So first guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So the coming by brilliant sacrifice captured is Rook captured knight. Boom! Rook takes h7 captured. The rook! so it means shouted on chess. So rook h7 check. So it means rook takes h7 check. Brilliant move from captured with woman candidate master Alexandra Prado here. And king captured rook sacrifice. So does not like of this computer with captured with John Konix here. So it means that the best move this one is pawn to f5 again. So this is a miss move here with pawn f5 with threats the bishop here. So this is a according this one with computer. So this is a good slightly better for black. So no need by king captured rook. So first by best of this one with pawn f5 here. Okay, so back there it is king captured with rook sacrifice and with excelente with Prado rook h1 check. So good, interesting here. And also king g8. Oh, without coming by mating net. So without upcoming by mating net here. And so what do you think about the last move after 25 moves with Alexandra Prado? So it means she forgot her missing mating net is rook h4. So what happened this one? So after 25 moves, so rook h4 check. So this is a brand X. So after that, so resigns by John Konix. So it means, so finding out this one with mating net. With that idea, with the best is the missing her mating net, rook h8 mating net. So Alexandra Prado, her miss mating net here. So this is a more control, so easy from mating net. So no need by this one with rook h4. So this is a wrong move. Need more focus concentration with movement of this one with checkmate or mating net here. So rook h8 check. So it means mating net. So easy wins for whites here. Easy wins for white. So I thought Alexandra Prado her forgot miss checkmate here. So it means, so rook h4, so it means run x move, wrong move here. So I thought Alexandra Prado, I thought her forgot the checkmate here with woman candidate master. So it is okay. So no need by problem. So no problems, Alexandra. You win of this one with shot round number 5. So the score with 81.4 points with Alexandra Prado and the lowest 75.3 John Konix. So I will next up this one with round number 6 with chooses by woman candidate master Alexandra Prado. So I will next up this one with analyze with next games here. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm MarkLogi17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day and don't forget by notification below with bells with YouTube accounts MarkLogi17 with English only and MarkLogi17 Part 2, Cebuano and Tagalog. And don't forget by notification below. And don't forget to view and like up this, subscribe in this one with my YouTube videos here. So have a good day, keep safe and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.